Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install Visual Studio Code in Kali Linux. To start, open the terminal. Run the on-screen command sudo apt install code-oos to install the utility. Enter the password. Confirm the action when prompted. Now click on the Kali menu and there look for the word OSS, and so open Visual Code from there. Now it is possible to access the Visual Studio Code console and make the necessary adjustments. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.